We have got an absolute beauty to show you here today. This is our 2018 on an 18 plate Volkswagen Transporter T6, so the 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre Euro 6 TDI diesel engine in this particular van, producing 204 PS, the bi-turbo variant, but crucially the later bi-turbo variant. It's got the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and this is a Highline short wheelbase Kombi van. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline Kombi DSG T6 of this age. We'll also talk you through all of the optional extras on this particular van, because there's a lot of factory fitted optional extras. There's also further enhancements that have been done afterwards, inside and outside. We'll talk to you about the fantastic service history as well, and have a really close look at the condition of this particular example. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is of course spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed of course meaning it has got the rear glass. We can tell this is factory because it has got the rear wiper and also the heating elements there in the rear glass as well. A couple of enhancements to talk you through here at the back, and that is the rear spoiler, which has been added there, of course color coded in the body color, which in this case is deep black pearl. You can see this fantastic metallic fleck here in this late day sunshine here. It just looks absolutely stunning. At the bottom then as well, we've got a nice bumper protector there on top of the rear bumper. A Highline of this age does come with rear parking sensors. In terms of condition, I mean, I am showing you here in its most, really this is the most exposing sunlight that you could see, and you can just see the condition of this, how stunning this really is. It's a beautiful example, as you'll see as we go around. But there are a couple of little marks just low down on the rear bumper. So there's a couple of little marks here and there, just very low down on the rear bumper. But that is really about all you're going to find on the van. There's not a tremendous amount to fault on this. I mean, for an 18, it is exceptional. Inside the back then, I am a big fan of this. This has got the Ovano Switch XL in the back of here. I had exactly the same setup in my own Volkswagen Transporter, which I had fairly recently, and I absolutely fell in love with this setup because it offers you practicality, versatility. You can go camping with this. It is a brilliant setup. So to start with, at the bottom, the bit that you will be using most day to day, and that is this brilliant drawer at the bottom here. So you have a clip on this side and a clip on the other side. If you give those a pull upwards, you do need two hands to do it, but you can open those right out there. And look at the size of that drawer which comes out of the back, and this is incredibly sturdy. I can't remember off the top of my head the load rating of this drawer, but it is in excess of 100 kilos. You could stand in the back of this drawer. And just day to day, certainly as a Kombi, where if you don't have a setup like this and things can have a tendency of sort of rolling around and going under the seats and things, this is an absolute godsend to use day to day. If we shut this, so you do need two hands to operate the clips there. But if you shut that and out the way, from here, if you don't want to pull that all the way out, this hatch here does open like so, and that just gives you some quick access there into the space there at the back. Now this setup has 3 different positions. So this position here is the bulkhead position. So as you can see there, you've got this big flat space here on top, which again, super practical. You can store loads of stuff up on top of here. So you've got the drawer space and this then on top. And then you've got that bulkhead there, which gives you that separation then. So you could basically stack stuff up in here, and it's not going to go over into the, into the seating area. The other position that you've got then is another bulkhead position, which is slightly further back, but it creates a sort of half-height bulkhead. And then it still gives you this size space here at the back. And then there's, I say, a half-height bulkhead and then a bit of a space afterwards. You can see pictures of all of this on the full advert. The idea of that is, as I say, it gives you the smaller space here at the back. But if you get the 40 Winks mattress, it fits perfectly the other side of this half-height bulkhead. And then that brings us on then to the third position. Is if you fold the rear seats down, this that bulkhead there goes down completely flat, and then you've got a full-size double bed in the back as well. So you really can go. We went camping in our van in this setup, 2 adults, 2 children, dog, all in here. It really can be done in a van of this size, even without a pop-top roof. So I just absolutely love this setup. It is so well made by the guys at Ovano. They're on about their 10th iteration of this, probably more by now, but it is just so well made. There is no rattles or squeaks or anything like that when you're driving. Highly recommended, and this van of course comes with that. Inside the back of here then you can see it's all carpet lined in here, freshly carpet lined on the sides. There will be a combi level of insulation behind here as well, and also the suede headlining there with the spotlights. But yeah, stunning in the back of there, all in tip-top condition and working order. Optional extra here at the back then, you can see that you have got the LED tail lights. I believe this one has got the power, yes, it's got the power latching tailgate as well, another optional extra. So 2 optional extras there to start with at the back. Down the side of the van then, one of the main, well, probably the main optional extra on this van, it has got twin electric side loading doors. So both side loading door on both sides, that would be an optional extra in itself, but twin electric side loading doors, really impressive optional extra to have. Another optional extra then, this has got the 2+1 split rear seating configuration in the back. Offers you, again, lots of versatility. You can operate this seat completely independently of the double and vice versa. You've got ISOFIX compatibility across all 3 of the rear seats. And then, as I say, crucially from here, you've got the little tab just here. You can fold the seats down flat. You can do exactly the same with the others. And like I mentioned, this Ovano system, it lays over the top of these rear seat, and then you've got a full bed as well. The Ovano system also does come with legs, so if you were to remove these seats for whatever reason, you can still use that as a bed. It folds down, this bulkhead folds down, and then you've got legs to stand up, so you don't need the seats as support if you were to take them out. The previous owner as well has gone for Ovano's other fantastic product, which is the Ovano table here in the back. So this is of course stowed away here at the moment, but you can have this out flat here, so you could use this as a bit of a working station, but you can actually swing this table right outside the van as well, so you could effectively stand outside here and use it as a bit of a working station as well. If you don't want to stow it there is some clips on the back of the Switch XL there as well to use. Condition, as you can just see here, it is in absolutely stunning condition for us. A 2018 van with this sort of mileage, absolutely gorgeous in the back of here. But there is so much more to show you, so please stick around. More optional extras in the front here. This one's also got comfort dash. They did this, of course, on the T6. You can't get this on a T6.1, and it was greatly missed. It's just a beautiful finish here to the dashboard. Inside then you get a flocked upper glove box here with the USB port inside there, which is really nice. You can see the original leather wallet just there, but that is really smart. Part of the comfort dash as well. You also get the nice double cup holders just there. Also the a little compartment just there, and also a bigger compartment down the bottom for a bottle as well. So all of that comes as part of the comfort dash system. And really what sets this van apart, of course, you've got fantastic condition, the spec that's on here, but the way that this van has been maintained. The previous owner of this vehicle, I can tell you, I can't sort of disclose too much about what they did, but I can tell you for certain this has not been used for heavy use, and certainly by no means a builder's van. They have had it from just a few months old. It would effectively been a Volkswagen demo before they had it, and you can see here the fantastic service history. So registered in 2018. This was a pre-delivery spec at the end of 2017 actually, but then registered in 2018. And then you've got services then in 2019 at 13,000 miles, 2021 at 30,000 miles, 2023 at 47,000 miles, 2024 at 61,000 miles, 2025 at 70, and then most recently in May of 2026 at 76,000 miles. This is all the print off of the Irwin Volkswagen system. And then you can see on this most recent service there with a good independent garage at 76,000 miles, they also did the DSG oil service as well, and of course the pollen filter and fuel filter. So it's a major service and the DSG oil service done in 2026 at 76,000 miles. There is a whole host of all the bills and everything else which come with it. Just love to see it. Don't see that very often with vans. of this age, but just been impeccably well maintained. Inside here then, another optional extra, and that is cab carpet. Definitely helps to deaden down the sound. There's a proper set of Volkswagen rubber overmats in the front as well, which are absolutely fantastic. Lots more to show you, so again, just stick around for that. On the side then, we've got a really nice set of Sportline style sidebars. There's a genuine set of Sportline alloy wheels. So my understanding, as I say, this was a VW demo, so these I would believe would have been fitted at the Volkswagen dealer when it was brand new. We have had these completely refurbished all around in preparation for sale, and we have fitted 4 brand new tyres on here as well. So these are, it's really like a brand new setup on the van. I believe the van is slightly lowered. So again, probably from the dealer, it would have been slightly lowered when it was brand new. There is also an awning rail, really discreet little awning rail just on the passenger side up here, which sits in the gutter just there, so you could get a little driveway awning on there if you so wanted to. That's why we haven't fitted any roof bars to this van. And then around to the front, LED headlights. That's another factory optional extra. Front parking sensors would be an optional extra on this age of Volkswagen Transporter. And then you've also got the Sportline front splitter as well, and again, I would imagine that was fitted at the Volkswagen dealer when the vehicle was new. But yeah, just looking at the condition here down the side of the vehicle, it is as straight as you like. To me, that is looks all absolutely original as well. There's no signs of any filler or anything like that. As you would expect, there is a peppering of stone chips here to the sort of leading edge of the bonnet. I say, as to be expected with its age and mileage. They have, of course, just been neatly touched in, and of course, as you can probably tell, the van has been completely detailed with our guys here. But yeah, absolutely stunning condition for, as I say, this age and mileage. Again, looking right into the sun there, but looking down this driver's side, you can just see how clean, look how sharp that line is there all the way down the side of the vehicle. Very, very smart indeed. A couple of little touch-ins just here on this very rear quarter panel just there, but yeah, it is, it's going to be entitled to one or two. This is, let's say, a really, really nice example. Opening up the driver's side electric side loading door then just gives you another aspect here of the seats from this angle. Again, you can just see how clean and tidy this is in here. The step and everything in there is so, so nice. Opening up the driver's door, let's have a look at some of the spec inside here. So you can see the condition of the driver's seat here, just absolutely impeccable. You've got the twin adjustable armrests, another factory optional extra. You've got 4 keys, and you can see there that you can operate the side loading doors there from the keys as well. You can also operate them from the dashboard just here. 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, of course. You've got the cruise control, which comes as standard on a Highline T6. Onboard computer controls here on the right hand side. You also get on the comfort dash this extra pocket up on top of here, again all flocked inside there. Another optional extra on this one then, this one's got the sat nav, so Discover Media sat nav just there. And then you've also got on here App Connect, so you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on there as well. Just need to plug your phone into that, of course, via one of the USBs. Really nice touch indeed. Another optional extra then, heated front seats. Air conditioning comes as standard. 77,874 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. An absolutely stunning van, one that we could not go out and replace tomorrow. As I say, it has come from the nicest of homes. You will not get a better previous owner than this. With, as I say, how they've used it, how they've maintained it. It really has been their pride and joy from effectively brand new. As I say, a VW demo from, as I say, a couple of months old, and then they've had it all of this remaining time, and as I say, impeccably well maintained. Such a well optioned van as well, with some really nice options to see on here. Things like the comfort dash, which you can't get on the newer vans now, and I think all in black with those Sportline wheels and the Sportline styling. I think it looks absolutely stunning indeed. Of course, the van, like all of our vehicles, will be supplied with 12 months AA warranty, and you can extend that as well to 2 years or 3 years. If you want to extend it to 2 years, it's 399 plus VAT. If you want to go to 3 years, it's 599 plus VAT. If you'd like to talk to us about funding options, we can arrange funding at very competitive rates on this particular vehicle, all of our vehicles, but this one, of course, in particular as well, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals. We can offer delivery nationwide wide as well. And of course, we can take cars or vans in part exchange. If you'd like to see the full advert, head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, the photography of this van and all of the others that we have currently got advertised. Thank you very much.